Before we start, there are a few things to bear in mind. The panels will be attached to the window frame, creating a cavity between the panel and the window itself. The panels must fit flush to the window frame with no gaps, and all window furniture must be contained within the cavity. The first thing we have to do is work out how many panels the window will require. If you don't need to open the window, a single panel can be applied up to a maximum size of 2 square meters. However, if you do plan on opening the window, having separate panels will make the task much easier. Measuring the window is straightforward. First, establish where on the frame the panel will be fixed. Remember, all window furniture must be contained within the cavity, and the panel must fit flush all around its edge. Now, we simply measure from one edge to the other to get the width, and once more to get the height. The Magna-Glaze panel will be fixed to the window frame by a magnetic strip, which runs all the way round the edge of the panel. So the width of the magnetic strip must be added to both the width and the height you have measured. The width of the magnetic strip depends on the size of the panel. If the area of the panel is less than 1 square meter, a 12.5 millimeter strip is used. If it's greater than 1 square meter, a 20 millimeter strip is used. Take the width and the height measurements and multiply them together to find the area of the panel. If the area is less than 1 square meter, you're going to need 12.5 millimeter magnetic strips. This means that you'll need to add 12.5 millimeters to each side to create the necessary overlap. In other words, you'll need to add 25 millimeters. That's 2 times 12.5 millimeters to the width and 25 millimeters to the height. This will give you the final dimensions of your Magna-Glaze panel. If the area of the panel is greater than 1 square meter, you'll need 20 millimeter magnetic strips. So you'll have to add 40 millimeters to the width and 40 millimeters to the height. Now simply repeat the process for the remaining panels.